You need to stop speeding. If you're on a call, an emergency, turn on your lights and don't ever speed. What's your name and badge number?
You could go somewhere.
What's your name and badge number?
Go somewhere else.
Business card.
Go somewhere else.
You can kiss my ass. I'm in public. I want your business card.
You're in the middle of an investigation.
Yeah? Yeah? Go investigate then. Go investigate. What you just did is you attempted to hit me with your door. Business card. I demand your ID.
You can go back there.
I demand your ID.
Go back there until
You don't tell me what to do in public. You can kiss my ass.
You can go back there.
That's assault, dumbass.
That is
Branch. Who's your supervisor on the scene?
You can go
You do
back
not touch
there.
me.
Do
You
get
do not
involved
touch me in public.
investigation.
Citizen records officers at a private building entrance. An officer grabs or bumps him. Citizen immediately demands name, badge, and supervisor. Officer claims an investigation, while citizen insists he's on public sidewalk and warns that touching a private citizen is assault.
Do not get involved in
I'm not.
investigation.
I'm in public. And until I got the camera and consulted you, you didn't do anything. All of a sudden, when I confronted you, you got an issue, you just assaulted me. You do not
get
touch a
involved in
private
the
citizen.
investigation.
What investigation? What's investigating? You were not involved, you were sitting in your car, were you? Were you? You were sitting in
How
your
can I
car.
help you?
I said your business card. You just assaulted me. I want to file a complaint against you.
You're welcome to do so.
I want your business card.
When we're done.
No,
I will
now.
do that.
I demand your supervisor now.
You're not going to get that.
On his way? What's your name?
Deputy Bellica.
What's his name?
You can ask them.
What's his name?
They have nothing to do.
You got a business card?
They don't have nothing to do with this, sir.
They have nothing to do with this? So what? I'm in public? Is this public street? Exactly. Matters of public can be recorded anywhere from public.
Absolutely. You can.
Even though this is their private property, there is no privacy. No expectation.
Officer repeats, investigation, without explaining nature or crime. Auditor demands business card and threatens complaint. Bystanders and other officers arrive. Auditor points out lack of tape or crime scene and refuses to be pushed off public sidewalk while recording everything on camera.
Expectation of privacy because I can see it with my own two eyes. And now I'm standing on public street and on public sidewalk. Dumbass, I have a right to defend myself. You touch me again, I will drop you. Understood? I will drop you. No, that's a warning of self-defense. Read the laws in the state of Washington. And I suggest you get your sheriff, Horch, on the line real quick.
We got videos on you as well.
Very nice. Very nice. I hope you got a video of him assaulting me, touching me without any probable cause. You have no right to touch me. No right. You laid your hands physically on me. That is an assault. That's a simple battery.
That is not.
That is. You're gonna learn. You're gonna learn. That's a simple battery. What's the investigation? Get to the investigation.
None of your business.
Get to it. Get to it. I'm not physically obstructing you, am I? Get to the investigation. You should know that freedom of speech is not obstruction, interference. Right? Exactly. I'm walking on a public sidewalk.
No,
We're trying to do something over here.
Then go do it. I'm walking on a public sidewalk.
Back and forth. Officer tries to move auditor off the street for safety. Auditor counters with free speech and movement rights. Officer orders repeatedly to get back to your investigation. Auditor calls out bullying and waste of resources, demanding officers leave if there's no lawful basis to detain.
Here.
Out of the investigation.
Well, I'm not. By this public sidewalk, where your investigation is with them, go handle it. Go handle it. Your investigation is with them, go handle it.
You guys getting close?
Go handle the investigation. I'm walking on a public sidewalk.
Yeah, we're already around.
Right? You got a tape? You telling me I can't walk freely on a public sidewalk?
I'm telling you right now, you're not getting any closer to their investigation.
Where's the line? Show me the line.
The line's
Where's
right
the
here.
tape? I don't see no tape. Where's the tape? Where's your crime scene? Where's the crime scene? Branch, where's the crime scene? Where is it? Exactly. So if I want to walk here, maybe towards this car, maybe back to my car, I don't know, maybe I just want to walk on the sidewalk here, right? So get out of the traffic. How about I do that? How about I do that?
Probably a good idea.
Walk on the sidewalk?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Absolutely.
Get out of my way then. Get out of my way. I want to walk on the sidewalk. You gonna interfere with my freedom of movement?
Are you going to interfere with our investigation?
Am I?
Yeah.
How?
You're taking two of us to kind of maintain.
I told you multiple times, get back to your investigation. Didn't I tell you multiple times? Get back to your investigation.
I suppose you did, yeah. You're probably right.
You suppose I did or did I? In fact, I did.
Yeah.
Did I tell you to get back to your investigation?
I'll have to read
Didn't I give you a direct order to get back to your investigation? I did, didn't I? It's on your body cams. I told you multiple times, get to your investigation. I asked you multiple times, what's the nature of the investigation? You can't state it. And now what? Oh, looks like the investigation is over, right? It's over?
Yep.
Are you done?
Yep, we're done.
Oh!
Have a nice
Now
day.
take your sorry asses, pigs, back to your cruisers and piss the hell off. And if you ever damn dare to assault me again, I guarantee your asses, next lawsuit is not going to be 7 million, it's going to be 70. Piss off, pig. Piss the hell off.
Okay.
Business card, you promised me, now. Business card. Punk ass.
What?
Punk ass.
Oh, gotcha.
Got me, yeah, that's right.
Gotcha.
Yeah, stop sweating. It's alright. I'm not that scary. But I will stand my ground and my rights.
You say stop swearing?
I just know why I'm out here.
How you doing?
You want to talk to you? Stay off the street.
Is there any reason you
Show of force. Multiple units circle. Auditor mocks the over-response and challenges citations, e.g., anti-panhandling ordinance. Officers warn about crosswalk, roadway. Auditor tests limits by standing near a concrete sign and pushing for clear legal basis before yielding to safety concerns.
feel like you have to come and give instructions?
I'm sorry?
Is there any reason why you have to come and give instructions?
I got a call for service, so I'm telling your guy to stay out of the streets, what I'm doing.
So that's what you do? You keep people out of the
Tell
street?
me what to do out of the street.
You fucking tell me what to do.
Okay, well, I did. I told you to stay out of the street.
Shut the fuck up.
Are we breaking the law?
Not right now, you're not.
Then you're dismissed.
I'm not going to go anywhere.
Well, neither are we.
Okay. We'll sit here and film each other.
All right, let's see how long it takes for you to walk away.
Don't stand behind me. My safety, don't stand behind me. Don't stand behind me.
Don't touch me.
Don't stand
Don't
behind me
fucking
again.
touch me.
Don't stand
Don't
behind me.
fucking touch me.
Okay. You can yell and curse all you want.
Okay, well, don't
Yeah,
fucking
you don't have the
touch me.
right to put hands on people, you fucking coward, man. Back up. Why don't you back up and stop being a
I'm
bully?
doing my job.
Why don't you back up and stop being the bully that you are?
If you stand behind me again and surround
Am
me, I
being
will
detained?
arrest you.
I'm going
Yeah,
that
you
way.
can't stop him
Do
from
not stand
walking.
behind me.
That way.
You
I'm going
understand
that
what I'm
way.
telling you?
I'm going that way,
Okay,
dude.
then walk that way.
What? Don't tell me what to do.
Why are you such a coward, man? You're the one with all the weapons.
How am I a coward?
You're the one recording with a gun and a taser and everything. So what's your problem?
There's no problem. You know why we're here. You guys
Yeah,
got
well,
us to
you
come
come
here,
up
so now
all
we're
up in our
here.
face trying to antagonize us and intimidate
that's
us,
not
but
true.
it's not going to work, man. You could try all you want, dude, but that bully shit doesn't work anymore.
Okay.
You got to remember that.
Okay.
You use this as a training video to let your officers know that bullying the fucking public is not allowed, man.
Okay.
We don't put up with that shit.
Okay.
So
Anything
fuck
else?
off. No, that's it, man. You're dismissed. I
I'm not
already told
going
you you're
anywhere.
dismissed.
I'm not
You're the
going
one that
anywhere.
chooses to stay here.
No.
So you choose to be on the film.
Okay.
You choose to
You're getting filmed as
participate.
well, sir.
You're choosing to be here.
Okay. Stay away from my officers. He's trying to. He's gonna
That's
try
right.
to walk
What's your name
behind
and
you.
badge
If he does,
number?
he's
T.
been warned
Gomez.
not
What's
to
your
get
badge
behind
number,
us.
T. Gomez? What's your badge number, sir?
I wasn't here, so I can't.
Look, man, I'm trying to be respectful to you, man.
I'm
What's your
trying to
badge
be
number?
respectful for you. It's my badge number?
Yeah.
It's right there on my badge.
Okay, well, just tell it to me, because I'm not looking at your badge. I'm looking at you.
Okay. You need to stay out of the street. I already told you once.
Oh man, why, dude? Why do you need to pick on people for? I don't get it. Why are you in threat? Because he's walking in the street.
Trying to, you guys.
The streets are blocked off. Actually, there's no cars passing through, so there's no safety issue, man.
What else do you guys want?
What else do you want? You came up on me, man. I didn't ask you for anything. Why don't you go away, man?
I'm not going to go away.
Why don't you go
You got
away?
us here, now we're here. What would you like
What
to
do you
talk
want?
about?
I don't understand why you're here.
The same thing you want. What
For
do you
what?
want?
What do I want? I was actually filming them cleaning up the street right here.
That's
What do
not
you
what
want?
you were filming.
What do you want? What do you want?
What would you like to happen?
What do you want, man? What do you want? I want you to get the fuck out of here, man. Get out of my face. I didn't ask for your service. There's no reason for you to be talking to me. I haven't broken the law. You obviously know that.
I know somebody
You
else
know
asked for
that
my
I have
service.
not broken the law, so there's no reason for you to be here, sir. There is no reason for you to be here except for you call.
Resolution lead in. Officers alternate between insisting on safety and trying to cite city rules. Auditor clarifies he isn't obstructing traffic and stresses constitutional primacy over local ordinances. Interaction ends with officers staying put, while auditor continues filming. Both sides claiming victory.
Causing a disturbance at this point and making people upset. That's all you're good for. Yeah, okay, you accept that?
No, you guys are wasting police services.
No, I'm not. You're here, you called for backup, right?
Anything else?
You called for backup,
602
right?
nothing?
You're the one that cowered up and called for backup. You could have done this by yourself, man. But no, you're fearing for somebody walking in the street. That's what you do. You fear
Anything
for
else?
somebody's life, for somebody walking
stay out
in
of
the
the
street.
street.
Stay
Have a
off the
good day.
street. Stay off the street. Yeah, just wait till your kids get treated like this, man, by a police officer that doesn't know who you are. And get your kids and throws them in the back of a little jail box in the back of your car. See how you like it, man.
All right, anything else, gentlemen?
No, we didn't ask you for anything in the first place, so fuck off, man. Kick rocks. Kick rocks, man. Start walking.
Call the police.
Hey, what the fuck you doing?
Brother, call the police.
What's this guy doing?
Nothing. He said watch out for something. Ain't shit down there.
Yeah, they want to stop us. They want to antagonize and interrogate us.
Don't be stupid. Like.
Can't be here, buddy,
Why not?
because you're in the middle of the roadway. Can't be. If you want to buy your sign, you got to go up the road.
I'll do it right here. Have a nice night.
Can't do it right there.
Have a good day, sir.
You're blocking traffic.
You want to bet?
Come on, off the roadway here.
I'm not blocking traffic. I'm standing in front of a concrete sign.
You cannot be in a roadway flying your paper.
I can be right there in front of that sign.
No, you cannot.
All right, well, I'll stand here then.
Okay. If you're begging for money, if you're asking for money, that's illegal in the city of Jacksonville.
Officer, may I have some money, please?
You may not.
Can I have some? I just begged from you. I just called your bluff. You're full of crap. You don't know what you're talking about.
I do
Get back
too.
in your truck and go 10-8, all right?
No.
Have a nice day. God bless you.
Cannot in the city of Jacksonville.
Officer,
it is a
can
city
I have some money?
ordinance.
Can I please have some money, officer? I just did it. I just
Why?
violated your ordinance. Give me a
It's-
ticket for it or leave me alone. It's free speech. That's all there is to it. Your ordinance is unconstitutional. It's free speech. Don't shake your head.
That's something you got to take with the city council.
All right.
I'm just letting you know if
right.
a patrolman comes by and chooses to cite you for it, that's on them. I'm just trying to give you a heads
It
up.
is on them because they won't have any qualified immunity when I see their asses in court. All right?
Again, city ordinance.
All right. Done. So, city ordinance does not override the Constitution, sir. I'm not trying to be, I'm sorry if I'm being a little confrontational with you, but I have a right to do this.
Look, I don't care if you're anywhere else, you just cannot be in the middle of the crosswalk.
I disagree with that because if you're standing in front of that thing, it's like I'm not blocking traffic.
Nope.
I'm not blocking traffic.
It's unsafe, sir.
It's not unsafe.
What I don't want is for you to get hit by a car.
I'm not going to get hit by a car because nobody drives over the concrete sign.
You'd be surprised.
Nobody drives over the concrete sign, but all right. So I'm okay if I'm on the sidewalk.
On the sidewalk, don't
All right.
block the sidewalk, not be in the crosswalk or in the roadway.
Okay.
Fair?
Well, I can be in the crosswalk.
If you're crossing the roadway.
Yeah. All right.
Not just be standing there.
Understood.
Fair?
Fair.
Fair.
All right. When does it give you the cross sign?
Now, as you can see, most police officers have no respect for our rights or the law for that matter, and some of them even think that a city ordinance can trump the Constitution, and this is why it is so important for you to know your rights and to help us to bring awareness to the rest of the public. So don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment to reach more people. And remember, always record the police.
This clip is a textbook example of why knowing your rights matters, and how simple, calm documentation can prevent escalation and create accountability. First, notice the pattern. Officers repeatedly rely on vague claims, investigation, safety, or you're in the roadway, without stating a concrete legal basis. When you hear those terms, ask the single most important question. Am I being detained? If so, on what grounds? If the answer is no, you are free to leave. If the answer is yes, the officer must articulate the crime or reasonable suspicion. Ambiguous language like, "we're conducting an investigation," is not enough on its own. Second, public spaces versus roadways. The auditor repeatedly asserts he is on a public sidewalk, not blocking crosswalks or traffic. Officers legitimately have a duty to prevent public danger. They may lawfully direct you out of an active roadway when cars are moving. But if there is no immediate safety hazard, no live traffic, no taped-off crime scene, then demands to vacate must be reasonable, clearly explained, and legally grounded. If an officer asks you to move for safety, comply for your safety, but make a note on camera that you complied under protest. Third, physical contact and boundaries. The moment an officer touches you without justification, the interaction changes. The auditor calls that out immediately, labeling it assault battery. If you are touched unlawfully, clearly state, "Do not touch me," and "I do not consent to any searches." Keep your hands visible, avoid sudden movements, and document the contact on video. Physical contact without probable cause or legal basis is where many civil claims begin. Fourth, the power of the camera. The auditor's repeated calm, recorded questioning does two things. It deters officers from making false claims later, and it creates a time-stamped record if you later file a complaint. Business cards, badge numbers, dispatch logs, and footage form the administrative trail that matters in reviews or litigation. Practical script to rehearse. Am I free to leave? Am I being detained? What crime am I suspected of? Please say your name and badge number for the record. Say it calmly, look composed, and let the camera capture everything. Bottom line, cops may sometimes confuse policy, safety, and convenience with legal authority. When that happens, your best tools are composure, specific questions, and solid evidence. Record, clarify, document, and, if needed, file a complaint. That turns an unpleasant encounter into a chance for accountability, not just noise.